Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple calculator program using Java. Let us show the demo first. This is simple programming. Here is simple one, right? Now if you are going to add two numbers, click 6 first number, plus sign, click another number, 6 equal 12 will be the answer. Now I am going to add another number, click 3, answer will be this, right? It's very simple. Here is a very simple calculator programming. Now I am going to click on this one, click 6 equal here. The answer is displaying successful. Now here divide 9 equal, right? It's working perfectly well, right? So let me see how to do the system step by step. So first I am going to design this form, right? Very simple. I am not going to teach how to design the form. I have already done many tutorials of Java. Those who are not watching my Java tutorial, please go and watch my all the Java related tutorials. This simple calculator programming. So you have to design this. This all the called as button, right? I drag from the palette, right? Each and every button I am going to drag from the palette, and just we have to change the text only. Right click, edit text. We have to change the text. Okay, 0. This all text I am going to change it. Right, the sign, all the stuff I am going to change it. Here this one should called as text field. I put it here, and I have to increase the size, and we have to right click properties. We have to set the background color black, and foreground I am going to set as yellow. Yellow means the letter size should be displayed as yellow, right? So that's the thing we have to do. Now this is the heading. We have to put it one label, and we have to design the heading. Very simple programming. Right, now let's look at the code. It's very simple. We have to look at the code. Let's go to the code, source code. After design this one, first what I did here is, this is your class, public class name extend jframe. It's defaultly coming here, right? You have to implement the action listener. You have to write this line, implements action listener. You have to write. Okay, you just simple. You have to here like this, it is default available. You have to implement this one, implements action listener. Then only you will be able to add these lines, right? After that, this is the constructor of the class CLC, right? Inside the constructor you have to add these lines. Inside the constructor you have to give the action listener to each and every buttons, right? Action listener means this is the button names, btn1 3. These are all the names, right? These are all the relevant names. I am going to add the action listener. Button 1 action listener, this 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. These are all the things we have to add the action listener this. Okay, we have to provide the action listener this, right? This is the thing we have to do. We have to call this all the relevant button names inside the constructor. Inside the constructor we have to call it. This is the thing we have to do. Okay, this is very essential stuff. You have to make it, right? After that, we have to write a double keyword, double data type. We have to implement one variable. You have to write like this: a boolean flag equal true. After that, we have to write char op this one. We have to create 3 variables. After that, we have to write the action listener, right? Okay, this is the common action listener I am going to write for the each and every buttons, right? Common, right? The public void action listener event e. This is our argument. After that we have to write string str equal this command. After that we have to write if str this one. You have to write the calculation part 0 to 9. We have to calculate this one for the entering the number, right? Or if it is true, we have to put it here. This is number pad dot set str, right? Str flag false. After that we have to write like this. If you add the numbers, it will be adding, keep on adding, right? After that, this is the thing, the same thing. You have to write the equal. When you add the values, it will be calculating, right? This number pad mean text mean this is the number pad text. This is called as number pad text. Okay, this is number pad text. It's called as number pad text. Okay, this is called as number pad text, right? Okay, after that we have to create one function calc result. I have created below a simple function. This is called as arithmetic operators. All the arithmetic operators are done by here. If you want to add the values, we have to subtract, division, all the stuff we have to handle by this inside this function. First we have to create a double data type. This is a variable rs result. If operator, this op mean operator, right? Operator, we have to put it as a char, right? So operators, if it is plus mean, if you have a operator this is a plus, it is indicated as a plus sign. So result will be, you have to add two numbers, number 1 plus number 2, right? This number 1. What is the number you have entered here? It is stored here. We have to, number 2 mean, we have to put it here, number 2 here. The number 2, right? Here equal means number 2. So if it is a number, first you have enter the number 1. After that we have to plus equal. It is allotted. Result will be displayed. That's the thing we have to. Okay. If it is equal mean, it is adding, and result will be displayed. If it is plus equal mean. Okay. So here we RSB this one. After that else part, if it is minus mean, it will be calculated this one. If it is this mark subtraction and division mean, this result should be displayed on the numpad dot text result mean. On here we have result will be displayed. It's very simple system, right? We handle here. That's the simple code we have written. Okay, this first we have to implement the action listener of the class. After that, all the buttons we have to set it as a add action listener. This is very important stuff. We have to each and every button you have to add as an action listener. This is very important stuff. Okay, then only it will be work, right? After that, we have to clear this one. After that we have to write this inside the action listener. We have to do this calculation part. This is the calculation part. This is a simple line of the code. The simple calculation part, we have to calculate the values. We have to add divide or subtract the values, all the stuff. You have to calculate simple code of this. Okay, this is a simple function. We have to handling all the arithmetic operators. Okay, very simple code we have written. Once a time you have to run and check. Plus 3, 10 is the answer. Very simple one. I hope you guys will understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.